heaven is the decision I must make. Well, it is a pretty interesting thing when you hear concepts like creation has no opposite. And to think about heaven, we assume, well, then there's got to be a hell, or this is hell, right? Or somehow this is not heaven. We like make this idea where we are seeing that there is an opposite, and this contradiction of what essentially creation is how we live here. That's how we seem to be alive here. And that's what this is talking about. That same concept, the same idea, that to have opposition in your mind is to experience physicality. This is heaven, this is creation, and yet you can't see it because you have opposition in your mind. So in this seeming complex world, so many decisions seem to be in front of you, and yet there is only one decision. One decision. There's only one decision that needs to be made about this, about heaven. So it's as much as it seems like there's this whole healing process, there's this whole thing that you go through. You're forgiving this, forgiving that. I choose to forgive this. I choose to forgive that. Oh, these seem like decisions. And yet, just like meditation, it's a practice. And we like to think of religious practice as in something like something you do all the time, opposed to like practicing the piano, where you're going to make it perfect. You're going to get better by practicing. No, it's the same thing. Essentially, you don't meditate until you actually get to the instant, that holy instant of an alternate reality. You achieve what it is you've been practicing to do. And it's the same thing about forgiveness. The entire time you've been forgiving this, forgiving that, the definitions and everything, this pardon, these are practicing to eventually actually make this one decision. So as much as heaven seems to be the decision, as it's described, heaven is the decision I must make. Now, Devin, you're going to make a contradiction. The heaven is the decision I must make, but what is heaven is the question. I mean, I always knew that my name rhymes with heaven, Devin, right? Devin rhymes with heaven, also rhymes with 7 and 11. Devin means little God, little idea of God. And heaven is a place in which God resides. Now, this has always been speaking to me, and so something always is speaking to you. And it's kind of leading to you, guiding you. That's the word, leading it to you. And we're bringing the illusions to truth, as it mentions, not about truth to illusions. We're bringing illusions to truth, because naturally what is not true will dissolve away, would dissipate, You are heaven. You're heaven. Heaven is not some other far off place. What you are is heaven. And there is in the text a beautiful translation of a biblical terminology. It refers to the kingdom of heaven is within. I believe it's in the Psalms. And this translates it a little bit, that not only is the kingdom of heaven within you, because that implies that there's an out of you. No, but the kingdom of heaven is you. It is what you are. And God resides in heaven. So there's only one decision And I'm sitting here, yeah, I'll play this game. I'll play this game. We'll play this game. And we'll make it seem like absolutely pathetic. Oh, I'm just a pathetic person. Just another pathetic person. When the decision is to recognize what you actually are. Now, you can't make this decision alone. You cannot get into heaven alone. You cannot be healed alone. So everyone will follow along with you. I like to think that there's, I can be achieved and nobody else can. And we like to think we're separate and apart from them. Oh, you have these problems, I don't. Oh, I am fully enlightened and awakened. No, I'll tell you, I have every single problem you have. Every single one of them. That's why you have them. I share it with you. And that's how we can get past and get through it. Together, we can heal that. Together, we can get past it, through it, and reach this single decision. So, of course, again, that seems like hundreds of decisions. Well, I gotta forgive this, and I gotta forgive that. I have this problem, and my blockage here, and my blockage there, and blockage there. But it's really just one decision that combats everything. Combats is an unusual word to use. It is the answer to every single problem that you have. If you recognized you were the creator of your reality, of all existence, of all problems, of all everything, you have the one solution. The one solution. I mean, it's like, what? What are you talking about? Right? If you are the creator of it, you can be the discombobulator of it, the end of it, the destroyer of it as well, in the most beneficial way.